Here's your reminder that lesbians don't have to be women. Some people see the identity lesbian.
Here's a reminder that many of our issues with the transgender agenda is the fact that you guys are hurting other minority groups, other protected classes with your arguments. And the one that you just gave is a perfect example of this. Now, pause to read the actual definition of the word. Okay? As you can see, the definition of the word is literally a woman who has romantic inclinations or sexual preference towards other women. Keyword being they do have to be a female. Yes, they do have to be a woman, sweetie. No, a man cannot actually be that. But here is where you start to hurt other minority groups. You guys start to convolute issues and topics that are already stigmatized, okay? Yeah. The homosexual community has already faced so much stigmatization throughout the generations. They have fought hard for their rights and their equality. And that struggle was not easy for them. That struggle introduced them as a protected class. So when you start throwing around things saying that you don't have to be a woman to like another woman, you totally dismantle the entire idea of the word itself. And when you do that, what you end up doing is taking away the protected class status. You take that away because now you are basically saying that anybody can be that. So you are saying that my husband is, and mind you, I'm avoiding using the actual word myself because people on my side of this argument, we get censored when we use these words, even though they're perfectly appropriate and in no way, shape, or form at all offensive. So now what you are doing is you are convoluting the issue of sexuality and sexual orientation to being everyone can either be this or GAY, which would mean that all women would be GAY, all men. That's what you are doing, which takes away the protected class status, which then makes it to where they never had to fight for their rights in the first place, so why do they have them? Which then lets politicians start to think, hey, maybe we could take them away because obviously they didn't need them. You guys did the same thing with womanhood. You do realize that the biggest thing and the biggest thing against the abortion necessity argument is the fact that you guys had to introduce the idea that men also can get abortions. Men also can get pregnant. This takes this away from being a woman issue, and women, again, are a protected class. So you are taking away our protected classes when you give these bullshit arguments. Good job. Bravo.